Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can participate in a winter bird watching event in Heartopia winter frost season. Okay, let's get into it guys. To participate in a winter bird watching event, you need to wait until the event starts, and you can track the bird watching event on the map. Okay, this is a sign for the event, and now the event is available. When the event is not available, you won't be able to participate it, of course. And then you can track the event. And I have arrived at the event location. The event location is here, guys. And I'm going to start the event. Okay, you can click on this icon. Okay, the bird watching device, and then click on start winter bird watching event. Okay, and click on confirm. And I've been starting the bird watching event. Okay, like this. And your friend can join can join the event since you have already started the event. And then we need to complete the personal goals and also the team goals. We need to scan birds to get info card with a total of 30 stars. Okay, let's start to scan the bird. Okay, this is the winter bird. Okay, I hope it's not too far. Yeah, basically you just need to complete the goals. And okay guys, that's how you can participate in the bird watching event. The winter bird watching event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.